Okay, let's start recording. Okay. I gotta. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Oh dear. Oh no. Stay. No. Oop. Aha. Okay. Cool. Wait. I forgot duct tape. Gosh dang it. Hold on. Like that? A little lower. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Here. How do you put a thing that's round onto a thing that's square? Just like that. Stay. Don't move. That's light. Hallelujah. Cool. Oh wait, I need to turn on my computer. Yeah. Crap. Presentation. Okay, this is the microphone. Hello. That's pretty loud. Oh, my glasses.
I can't see without my glasses.
Hello, you can tell a difference now.
Does that sound good to you?
Cool. All right, that looks good.
I think I'm ready to present. Throughout my time here at Stud... No, I'm kidding. Okay. So throughout my time here, or not here, so throughout my time at Sterling College, there's kind of been this theme of while I was there. And that theme was the theme of discovery, specifically the discovery of myself. I was always trying to figure out what I wanted to do with myself. So I started learning what I had been called to do, and that was to act and to write. I was in multiple shows and I wrote a few stories on my own. However, it wasn't until my sophomore year that I discovered my true passion of life, film. So, I switched majors and started learning all that I could about film, from the camera technology to the directing techniques and how to fully edit a fully full film thing. I entered in the film festivals at Sterling College, and I even got a few awards, actually. But it wasn't until my senior year, last semester, in last year of August, that I finally figured out what I wanted to do with my life. I wanted to make games. Specifically video games. So I used my senior project as a gateway, as an advantage point for me to create my very first video game. Haha. And I used the video game engine called Unity. At that time, I was working on a game that I liked to call Techie Login. It's a game that I still kind of want to make at some point in my life, but I've put that off to the side for now. It's really ambitious and it's really cool, and there's a lot of things I want to do with it, which is specifically why I'm not working on it now, because I want to do other things. Now, if you were at the showcase, you've already heard this part. Yeah, I'm not working on that game anymore. So, that's, and judging by the fact that I have not been on YouTube since like February or maybe more, I think it's still February. Based on the fact that I haven't been on YouTube in such a long time, a lot of people, as in like 27 people, are probably wondering what in the world have I been up to. But I'm making a different game. Yeah. Me and my friend, Isabella Futh, who you can find her channel. Yeah, I'll post a link to her channel in the description. Anyway, me and her are making a video game. It's our very first. I'm still using the engine Unity, and I wanted to kind of show kind of early ideas and concepts of that game. And here you go. Roll the film. Yeah.
Well, it all started when me and Isabella were tossing around a couple of ideas.
We'd already had a few, but none of them were working.
After I had sat down, she turned to me and said, "Well, any other ideas?"
He thought about it for a moment and then said, not really, but there's gotta be something, right?
All I know is that we need to make a really simple game to test our workflow.
Something easily accomplishable, but with room for ambition.
And then she just started laughing, saying, What if we made a game about a dog pooping?
Oh my gosh. Wait. I think we can do that.
Booting up new game files. Welcome, Strawberry Apps. I see we have executed the training protocol. Accessing game files now. One moment, please. As you can recall, sir, your current creation is creatively called the Colossal Reproduction and Use of Appalling Produce, otherwise known as Project C.R.A.P. All files loaded, you may now present at your leisure.
Thank you, Winter. Wasn't that great? That was my fake AI that I'm maybe going to use in future videos. We'll see what happens there. Anyway, so as crazy and weird and crazy as it sounds, I am making a real, actual game about a dog pooping. Yep. Okay, so when I first started talking about this game with Isabella, I could not take it seriously. The idea of coming up with a game about a dog pooping is just plain ridiculous. And then I started getting ideas. So let's talk about those ideas for a second. This game went from a simple 1 week project that's just maybe he could poop and people could run away, to what if there was a story mode? So what is this ridiculous game anyway? So this game is called Project C.R.A.P. Yes, that is the actual real name that we have for it. In this game, you play as a dog who is trying to avoid capture from the humans. You do this by using the one weapon that all dogs possess: their poop. Now, currently, as you can see, the game is in very early alpha, otherwise known as the prototype stage. Yeah, the game is barely playable, which is why I'm not exactly showing any footage right now. So what I can say is that I have a lot of great ideas, ones that I am capable and willing to put into practice, and I'm excited to put it into practice as well. Okay, so three things that I am going to include in this game that I promise you is going to be in. Number 1,
Multiple unlockable dogs with unique attributes or abilities.
Number 2,
A worthy core moveset that is both responsive, intuitive, and most importantly, fun.
Number 3,
A real, actual story mode with cutscenes and characters, with a possible second campaign as DLC. Wink.
I am very excited to continue working on this game and to continue supporting my career on YouTube in general. I hope that I can continue doing this sort of thing. I enjoy creating no matter what it is, what I do. I most enjoy creating video games, obviously, but still. So, obviously, if you're watching this, then you know what my YouTube channel is, or you at least clicked on this in the random ether of YouTube. Andrew S. Productions. That's the channel. What do I do here? I do a few things, whether that be some interesting Let's Play stuff, to some video essay stuff, to kind of vlogs over the progress of my game. I'm really excited to get started on this. It's also where you can find a lot of the short films that I made while I was in college, including my senior film, Life with a Cliche Man, which I will, in fact, this is an announcement. It is time for everyone to see Life with a Cliche Man in its fullest form. I shall be releasing this film in the coming days. Look out for it. I have it ready. I've just been waiting for the right opportunity, which is Corwin saying that I can, for me to publish it to the public. One last thing before I go. I am on Patreon! That's right. If you want to support me for as little as $1 a month, you can go to patreon.com and join the awesome clan, or whichever tier it is. I forgot. I set it up like a couple weeks ago. Anyway, you can support me in all of my endeavors. And if I get enough support, I will do YouTube for a full-time thing, probably. Look out for that. And again, as always, or sometimes, thank you. Good day, good evening, good morning, good night, whatever time of day it is for you, and I will be in the next video for you to see, or my face, or something, rather. Cool. Bye.